Hi guys, my name is Marianne and today I'm going to teach you how to illustrate a photo using the Trace tool on Adobe Illustrator. Okay, so to begin you'd like to open up your file. Using this Open tool here and selecting it once, you'll be able to open up your files. Select an image of your choice. In this circumstance I've selected a lion. Now, it's likely as your file is loading that sometimes your image will be too big. If in this case, delete your photo and go to File and Place. By going to File Place, you are able to then click your image and drag to the desired size you'd like it, like so. I'm just going to use the zoom in tool to zoom in closer to my image. Now, I will place this image here and then begin tracing. In order to do this, you must ensure your image is selected. When I am not selected, there is no toolbar. When selected, on my right hand side here, as you can see where I'm pointing my cursor, my image options are open. In order to trace this image, you can quickly press Image, Trace and Default once. This means that Adobe will use its program software to immediately begin tracing the image to the default settings needed, like so. But in this tutorial, in order to take it a step further, there are other ways to go about this. By pressing Ctrl Z, I undo this. When going back to Image Trace, by holding down your tool, you are able to get a drop-down menu as shown. This gives you a range of options on how to trace your photo. For example, in this, I will quickly press 3 colours only. By pressing OK, I'll give Adobe a moment to put all the pixels together and begin tracing my photo. This will give me a different type of trace. As shown on the screen now is a 3-colour traced image. As the image is selected, this is one way of tracing your photo. By pressing Ctrl Z again, the image trace options are as shown. There are about 8 options shown on the side, and each worth testing. Once you've got the hang of this, start playing around with the image trace option and seeing which of the trace options are most suited to your design. This will help you in future designing a number of ideas and illustrating photos. Thank you for listening.